In this video, I'll show you how to search for past sales. When you want to search for a past sale, the KRISP POS allows you to do this in various ways. You can search for a transaction using the search bar. You can also click on the Recent Transactions button to view your recent transactions for today. Another way is to click the parked icon to view or retrieve a parked sale. And lastly, you can also view a customer's past transactions by finding the customer and clicking the Open pop-up icon. From the Customer pop-up, click the Transactions button, and this will bring you to another pop-up with all the customer's transaction details. You can click Table View, and you will see all the transactions for your customer. We can retrieve the deposit here by clicking on the Add to Cart icon. And those are the different ways on how to retrieve a transaction. That's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website for more information.